Hi, friends. Welcome back to East Coast Toys. Today, Mayor Goodway and her purse chicken, Chickaletta, are ordering a pizza from the Paw Patrol. Pups, I would like to order a pizza for me and my purse chicken. For toppings, I would like cheese and some pepperoni, please. Pups, Mayor Goodway wants cheese and pepperoni on her pizza today. All right, kitchen pups, let's get ready to make the pizza for Mayor Goodway. First, we need red tomato sauce. Who is my first volunteer? Ruff, ruff, me. Okay, Rocky. Sky, you're up next to help with the cheese. Pepperoni time. Ruff, ruff, rubble on the double. Next volunteer. Ruff. Let's Dino do this. Time for more cheese. Ruff, ruff. Let's dive in. Our pizza is all ready for the oven. But remember, friends and pups, using the oven is a job for grown-ups. Wow, pups, that pizza looks delicious. Let's grab a slice to taste test. Pups, you did such a great job making the pizza. Pups, my purse chicken and I are here to pick up our pepperoni and cheese pizza. Bark! Mmm, smells delicious. Thank you so much, pups. Until next time. Great job today, pups, making pizza for Mayor Goodway. And thank you, friends, for joining us at East Coast Toys. Make sure you press that red subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this. Bye now.